Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Milwaukee, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are going to talk about how to add up to 10 more years to an existing deck. If your deck is showing its age, but you are not ready for a full replacement, there may be real ways to safely extend its life. The first step is to get a clear picture of what you have. Start by walking the surface of the deck. Look for cracked, rotten, or loose boards. Pay attention to areas near planters, grills, and high-traffic zones, as they often wear faster. Replace any boards that are soft or badly damaged. That alone can improve safety and how the deck feels underfoot. Next, check the railings. Grab each section and give it a firm shake. Tighten loose connections where you can, and replace any hardware that is rusted or failing. If certain posts or sections never seem to stay tight, it may be worth reinforcing those areas with better connectors, or in some cases, upgrading the railing system entirely. Solid railings are one of the key parts of a safe deck. Now look underneath. Check the posts, beams, and joists for rot, cracking, or sagging. If the main structure is still sound but a few isolated spots show wear, reinforcement may be possible. Adding sister joists, upgrading hardware, or improving support at key points can strengthen a tired but basically solid frame. On the other hand, if the structure is heavily compromised, putting money into the surface alone will not solve the real problem. Cleaning and protection are also important. Give the deck a proper cleaning to remove dirt, mildew, and old finishes. For wood decks, a quality sealer or stain can help shield the surface from moisture and sun. For composite decks, a good cleaning can restore appearance and reduce slippery spots. The goal is to stop existing damage from getting worse and to slow down future wear. Think about how water and snow move around your deck. If you always pile snow in the same corner, or if downspouts dump water on one area, you may be shortening the life of that part of the structure. Small changes in how you manage water can add years of life to the deck. If you are unsure how far to go with repairs, that is a good time to bring in a professional. You can reach us at 608-292-5514 or visit www.toughdeckbuildersmilwaukee.com to talk with Tough Deck Builders Milwaukee about your existing deck. We can help you decide if targeted repairs are a smart investment or if the deck is simply at the end of its safe life. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Milwaukee. With the right steps, many decks can serve longer than you might think, as long as safety and structure stay at the center of every decision.